Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to write summer day, 夏天,夏天. This is the pinyin, 夏天. Okay, when we write Chinese, we need to follow a particular sequence of strokes to finish writing a character. Just as if you are building a tall building, you need to start from the ground and building up. But when you write Chinese characters, you start from the top and go to the bottom, or from the left and finish on the right. So you have to learn the sequence of your writing strokes in order to write Chinese characters properly. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step to write the character 夏. 横, the horizontal line, that's the first step. The second step is 横, 撇. I'm saying the name of the stroke. You don't have to remember that. You just see how I draw the second line, which is this. The next is one stroke but contain a 横弯,横折. There are two horizontal lines, but do the top first and then the bottom, from the top to the bottom. Top to the bottom, and then close the square here. When you do this stroke, you connect with here. And then not to the top, but there's a little distance, and do this. Okay, finished. 夏, 夏, which means summer. Now 天, 横. When you do the second line, is longer than the top one. See, I'm doing from the top to the bottom. The top one is shorter, the second one is longer. Do a 撇. Sorry, here. 那, 天, 夏天. Doing one more time here. 夏. Tian. 夏天. 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 Okay, there is a story in this word, 夏. I just want to tell you a story. There is in this is one Chinese character, but inside this character there is hidden another character. Well, actually there are two I can see, but this one is the middle part. Here, this part is mu. It means eyes. You don't have to remember that's a new character. You just remember there's an eye hidden in here. This means mu, eyes. And then if you add the top here, if you do this portion is self. So in the character here, there are two other Chinese characters hidden inside here. But here it could be another one, but let's just talk about these two hidden in here, the summer. And the second one, Tian, is very interesting. Okay, when you write Tian, you do the two horizontal line. And that is number 2. It's a number in Chinese, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 2. And then this is Ren. Okay, it's composed of 2 parts. One is number 2, and then is this. This is a person. Number 2 and a person, when you put them together, is sky. Is that interesting? Tian. So in the character Tian, there are 2 other characters. One is number 2 on the top, and then one person is connecting those 2 lines, overlapping on top and making a new word, which is Tian, Xia Tian. Xia Tian. 拼音夏天. Thank you for watching.